It's most discouraging. Everyone is so prosperous. Oh, for the good old days of the Depression. Here I am, with $1 million to give away, and I can't find anybody poor enough. Ah, there he is. There's my man. Stop the car, Brinkley. You there, Ragamuffin. May I have a word with you?
Gauchos, am I not downtown the biggest ranchero in all the Pampas? Are you not the bravest gauchos in all the Pampas? Would you risk your lives for me, your beloved ranchero? Cowards! Pigeons!
Oh, downtown.
Chickens!
Oh, downtown.
See,
How will you catch El Scrubalito now?
simple, senor. I will send for the world's greatest cowboy. Quick draw McGraw. El Scrubalito is tricky, senor. Do you know your way around the pampa? Oh, no. Okay. What is a bolo?
Yahoo! Wow!